So I'm going to do a couple of videos on my morning smoothie and my morning coffee. This one is the one on the morning smoothie. I get a lot of questions about what supplements I take and what I eat. So I've done a couple of videos on what I eat. It continues to change as I continue to read and experiment. But I would subtitle my morning smoothie as "The Taste You Hate Once a Day." Most of us in our generation may remember the old Listerine commercials, "The Taste You Hate Once a Day." So first off with the ugly stuff. This is cholestyramine for oral suspension. Cholestyramine is it's sold as a medication. What it does is it binds fats and cholesterols in the diet. Now, do I think that's, I'm not going to debate whether any of this is right now. Dark chocolate, or organic dark chocolate that I get on from Amazon. And betaine. Betaine, I got this from, I think it was Chris Masterjohn. He's talking about, for folks that take niacin, getting some methyl contributors. And betaine is nothing but a carbon, I think, with 3 or 4 methyl groups on it. That's a sort of a lemon tasting powder. And then, as you know, I've recently gotten reinterested in K2. This is natto powder, soybean natto powder from K-Herb, also from Amazon. And it's like the essence of the bad taste of natto. And I can tell you it goes really, really well with the lemon from the betaine anhydrous. Then, to improve the consistency and make a lot of little gooey clumps, I add psyllium husk powder. You know, there's a whole bunch of debate. Everybody used to believe in fiber. And then, and this is all fiber. The people that take the little pills, you're never going to get enough pills. You got to take it this way. And it just makes whatever you put it in really awful. So speaking of awful, that's it. And again, speaking of awful, it tastes bad. And I do it every day. Thanks for your interest. If you hit the like button, and for sure if you subscribe or share, the algorithm reads that as a strong message that humans think this is interesting and important information. And the algorithm can share it more than any of us humans. Speaking of sharing, one of the best ways of sharing is on social media. We've got active Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn activities going on right now. We've recently started up things in Pinterest and Twitter, so we'd love to see you there. Check us out. Finally, with over 500 videos, a lot of people are saying, I can't find this video or that video. Our new social media manager, Kim Hermosa, is starting to work on ways to help with that. So join the community. You can click on the links below, and you can get a little bit better access. Thank you again for your interest.